Welcome to Auto's Time, the place where car legends come alive. Today we dive into one of the most iconic engines ever created, the BMW M10. It's not just a piece of machinery, it's a masterpiece that laid the foundation for BMW's reputation in performance and innovation. The story of the M10 begins in 1962, when BMW needed a new engine for its upcoming range of compact sedans. The goal was simple: create an engine that was lightweight, reliable, and could adapt to different performance levels. The result was a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine designed by legendary engineer Alexander von Falkenhausen. Little did BMW know this engine would become a legend in its own right. The M10 wasn't flashy at first glance. It was a simple iron block with an aluminum head, a design that was rugged but ready to evolve, and evolve it did. Over the years, the M10 would be stretched, tuned, turbocharged, and modified into versions ranging from 1.5 to 2.0 liters. This flexibility made it the heart of many BMW models like the 1500, 1600, 2002, and the early 3 Series. One of the reasons the M10 stood out was its incredible durability. You could push it hard, and it would just keep going. It wasn't just loved by everyday drivers. It caught the attention of motorsport engineers too. BMW realized that this humble little engine had big potential on the racetrack. In fact, it's the M10 that formed the basis for the fearsome BMW M12 engine. Take a guess where that engine ended up. In Formula One. That's right. A heavily turbocharged version of the M10, the BMW M12-13, powered Nelson Piquet's Brabham to the 1983 Formula One World Championship. At its peak, this engine was rumored to produce over 1,400 horsepower in qualifying trim, making it one of the most powerful F1 engines ever. But it wasn't just about raw power. The M10 was about clever engineering. Its strong block design could handle serious stress, making it perfect for turbocharging. BMW took full advantage of that with cars like the legendary 2002 Turbo, the first turbocharged production car from Europe. Without the M10, that car might never have existed. Beyond racing, the M10 also symbolized BMW's rise as a global brand. Before the 1960s, BMW was struggling. After the launch of the Neue Klasse sedans powered by the M10, everything changed. These cars were fast, fun to drive, and dependable. Suddenly, BMW wasn't just a small German automaker. It was becoming the ultimate driving machine. The M10 engine remained in production for over 25 years, an impressive run by any standard. It was eventually succeeded by the M40 and M42 engines, but the spirit of the M10 lived on. Today, when enthusiasts look at a classic 2002 or an early E21 3 Series, it's the M10 that they admire. The engine that made BMW's sports sedan dream a reality. What makes the M10 so special is not just its achievements, but its character. It has that raw mechanical feeling that's missing in today's cars. You turn the key, you hear the mechanical symphony under the hood, and you feel connected to the road in a way that's hard to describe. Even today, tuners and racers continue to respect the M10. Its simple but strong design makes it easy to work on and perfect for custom builds. Whether naturally aspirated or boosted with crazy turbo setups, the M10 keeps proving it's more than just an old engine. It's a legend. Thanks for watching Auto's Time. If you love car history and automotive legends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. We've got a lot more incredible stories coming your way. See you next time. Would you also like a second version that's a little more energetic or dramatic depending on your channel's style?